Hello dear students, let's do a झटपट revision of the topic ascent of sap and forces contributing to it. Ascent of sap का मतलब है the upward movement of water and minerals from the root to the aerial parts of the plant. जो forces इस phenomena में contribute करते हैं they are number one root pressure. Root pressure created होता है due to cell osmosis between the cells of root tissue, as a result of which water can be pushed upwards. Second force is capillarity of the xylem. Capillarity of the xylem से हम ये समझ पाते हैं कि if the diameter of the xylem is narrow, then it becomes easier to draw water to get greater heights. और ये drawing of water क्यों होता है? To fill up the vacuum which gets created in the xylem due to loss of water by transpiration. So जितना narrow xylem होगा उतना ही ऊंचा पानी जा सकता है. Third, an important force is the transpirational pull. Due to transpiration जो water loss होता है उस water loss को overcome करने के लिए water molecules are pulled upwards. Now these water molecules can be easily drawn upwards due to a force. उस force का नाम है force of cohesion. Force of cohesion एक water molecule को दूसरे water molecule के साथ एकदम tight bonded रखता है. As a result of which even when the water is flowing upwards against gravity, उनकी ये दोस्ती टूटती नहीं है and they can go upwards. And the fourth and the final force is the force of adhesion. ये force होता है water molecule and surface of xylem के बीच. Because of this force, again water molecule xylem के surface के साथ चिपके रहते हैं and they can be slowly pulled upwards. Thank you. Keep revising.